So you've probably created a living trust and you have a home, but you forgot or maybe didn't put your house into a living trust. In this video, we're going to share some of the problems with that situation and what you can do to make sure that your living trust works for your family. Hi, my name is Edmund.
I'm Jennifer.
I'm Cindy.
We're the attorneys here at Amity Law Group. As a law firm, we're known for helping families protect their assets and make sure they take care of their families if something happens to them. So this video is inspired by a question that we get from a lot of clients. They ask us, we have a living trust, why do we need to change the deed of our home to move it to a living trust? So that's the topic for this video.
It's important that once you do set up the living trust, you fund it with your assets. And so by funding it for your real property, your home, we would actually create a new grant deed for you to sign and then basically have it titled under the name of your trust. And that would be part of kind of what we would assist with our services. And a lot of times, you know, we do come across clients that come in and they already have a living trust done, but it's empty. There's literally nothing in the living trust except for the papers. And so if you have that situation, you really need to be mindful of it, because essentially that doesn't do you any good. You created something where you have things in line, but there's nothing within that trust for the trust to distribute.
Exactly. So if you created a living trust to avoid probate, but you didn't fund the trust with any assets, then you didn't avoid probate, because all that asset is now going to end up in probate unless you change title. So for example, the house, it needs to, in order for it to be funded, we need to change its title. And how do we do that? We do that through the grant deed. So we will help you with the grant deed. We'll also help you file the preliminary change of ownership and any exemptions that you may qualify for to exempt you from property tax reassessment, that is.
Yeah, so I think it's just essential. One of the things that you really need to do is, once you do have an estate plan created, a living trust created, maybe just take some time to look through your assets, make sure that they were changed to the name of the trust, or you somehow added the trust in there, because that's really the really important major factor is, throughout the years, even after you have a trust created, maybe review it every now and then, just to make sure, if you did, buy another house, make sure that it was actually titled into the name of the trust.
So it's really important to make sure that you put your house into the trust to avoid probate, and make sure that the house goes to whoever you want to leave it to. I think that's it for this episode. If you have any questions, let us know. We offer free consultations, and our office is in Rosemead, California. All right, until the next video, see you next time.